Turkmen with Turkish hats of black felt bring their carpets here to trade. Carpets at this fair are characterized by their simplicity of appearance, using a lot of red yarns, and by their warmth. Having examined the size, pattern and color schemes of the carpets, and having negotiated the price, bills are now ready. Holding bills, men firmly shake hands. The negotiation has ended successfully. Prices vary from $200 for smaller carpets up to $1,000 for the larger ones. Some distance away from the fair, another round of carpet transactions is also underway. Women who have brought carpets they themselves wove are selling them to the merchants.